Click on OK. Today concept name is inheritance. Today concept name is inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is the one of the concept. Inheritance is the one of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending the parent class up to child class. Inheritance is the one of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending the parent class up to child class. We can extend all the parent class up to child class. Inheritance is the one of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending all the parent class up to child class. We can extend all the parent class properties to child class. I'm taking one father class. For example, I'm taking one father class. He can earn money. He can drive car. He can earn money. He can drive car. And giving two functions, madam. I'm taking son class. Son, he can drink and smoke. Actually, father already earned. So I give two functions. Drink and smoke I'm giving. Grandson. He is very child like me. So you don't know anything. Okay. He's play and study. Play and study. Two functions I'm giving, madam. But you should remember only one line purpose we are learning this concept. A extends B. A extends B. That means A extends B. A extends B. That means B properties will come to A. A extends B means B properties will come to A. A extends B means B properties will come to A. So A extends B. That means B properties will come to A. For example, I need Narendra Modi properties. How can I write? I need Narendra Modi properties. How I can write?
Akhil extends Narendra Modi.
Yes. So Narendra Modi properties will come to Akhil. Only one line purpose we are learning this concept, that is inheritance. A extends B means B properties will come to A. B properties will come to A. A can get B properties. Okay, A can get B properties. A can get B properties. Okay. Son, father is getting only two properties. Why? Because always he has only two properties, earn and drive. Now I am writing son extends father. What will happen?
Son gets all the properties of father.
That means how many properties he can get?
4.
4. Right. Grandson extends son. What will happen?
Grandson,
Hmm.
grandson gets all the properties of son. So he'll get 6.
He can get 6 properties. That is the concept, inheritance concept. First of all, yesterday we have taken one class, that is the by class. We wrote one functions like drink, breathe, sleep. We wrote functions and we called from main method. Okay. We have taken only one class, that is the by class. We wrote function under the class and we called from main method. Yesterday class, right? Yesterday we have taken only one class, that is the by class. Under class we wrote functions and we called from main method. Yesterday class. But today class is different, ma. Father class different to, son class different to, grandson class different to. We should call the all the functions from another main class. So here we should take 4 classes. How to manage classes? First of all, today concept, how to manage different classes. How to manage different classes. First of all, we will discuss. After that, we can discuss inheritance concept. First of all, we will discuss how to manage different classes. After that, we will discuss inheritance concept, madam. So here we should take father class, son class, grandson class, and we should call from main method. That means we should take another main class with main method. How we can take, we will discuss today. Okay, that is the concept, inheritance concept. Very important concept. We should maintain different classes, madam. We should maintain different classes. Yesterday we have taken only one class, that is the by class. Under class we wrote functions and we called from main method. That is the yesterday session. That is different. But here we should take 4 different classes. We should take 4 different classes. How we can take the different classes, we will discuss. Okay, madam?
Okay.
Right. I'm taking one class. First of all, I'm taking new project. New project. Project name is Java project. Click on next. I'm giving project name is Sridevi. Click on finish. After creating Sridevi project, we can get 2 folders, SRC, JRE. Right click on SRC, we can take the new class. I'm taking class name is father class. I'm taking class name is father class. I'm taking class name is father class. Click on finish. Here I'm writing functions. Public void n function I'm writing. SYSO control space father ending. Drive father driving. Father driving. I wrote 2 functions. One is and second one is drive. Save. I'm taking another class. Go to SRC. Take the new class. Sun class I'm taking. Click on finish. Control V. Sun, he can drink and smoke. I'm giving 2 functions. Drink, sun drinking. Smoke. Sun smoking. Save. Go to SRC. Take the new class. Grandson. Only I'm taking grandson class. Grandson, play and study. Play. Grandson playing. Study. Grandson studying. Grandson studying. I have taken 3 classes. Save. Father class, son class, grandson class. Now I want to call the functions from main class. Go to src, take the new class with main method. I'm taking class name is in her. I'm taking the main method. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. First, how to manage different classes we will discuss. After that, we will discuss inheritance concept. So I want to call the father class function. Why? Because that are all are non-static. Father f equal to new father. What is this, ma?
Creating object of father.
Object is father f equal to new father. Father f equal to new father. F dot n you can get f dot n f dot n and f dot drive.
Right.
Next, I want to call the son class functions. Son s equal to new son.
Yes.
S dot drink.
Mm,
S dot smoke. Next, I want to call the non-static function. Grandson g equal to new grandson.
New.
G dot play. G dot study. So this is how to manage different classes we discussed. How to manage different classes we discussed.
Mm-hmm.
Today concept is inheritance concept. How to manage different classes already we discussed. So next concept is how to implement inheritance concept. How to maintain or implement inheritance concept. So this is class how to maintain different class. This is the concept of how to maintain different classes. Is there any doubt, ma?
These are all non-static, right? That's
Yeah.
why you create.
That's the reason we created object. If
Okay.
we want to call the a non-static function in the same class, or if you want to call from another class, we should create the object. This is the
Mm-hmm.
only one point you should remember. If you want to call the non-static function in the same class, or if you want to call the non-static function from another class, we should create object.
Mm-hmm.
We should create the object. Father f equal to new father, f dot n and f dot drive. And son s equal to new son. S dot drink and s dot smoke. Grandson. G equal to new grandson. G dot play, G dot study. G dot play, G dot study.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to implement inheritance concept. So how to implement inheritance concept? So son extends, son. I'm writing son extends son extends father. That means father properties will come to son. Father properties will come to son. So that means son can get two more properties. S dot and S dot drive.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Next, grandson. Grandson extends son. Grandson extends son. Grandson get six six properties like G dot and G dot smoke. G dot n G dot drive. G dot smoke. G dot drive. G dot drink. You can get six properties. That is the concept, inheritance concept. So father get only two properties, son can get four properties, grandson gets six properties. This is the concept inheritance. Inheritance is the one of the concept provided by Java, which is used for extending the parent class up to child class. We can extend all the parent class up to child class. That is the concept, inheritance concept. That is the concept, inheritance concept.
Mm.
Okay, madam? Any doubt?
Okay. No, yeah, okay.
Okay, okay. Next concept. Next concept we will discuss. The concept name is overloading. Next concept name is overloading. What is overloading? If at all, a function more than one time in a class, more than one time in a class. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments, like type of args, comma, number of args. If we write, then that concept is overloading. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading. If at all any function, if we write number of times, automatically it will show error. If at all a function, if you write number of times, automatically it will show error. But if at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments, comma, number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments, comma, number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading concept. So same function we are writing number of times with different arguments or type of arguments. So then that concept is called overloading concept. So before going to this concept, we should know what do you mean by variable? What do you mean by variable? It is a name. It is a name given to a one memory location which can hold a value. The value will be changed in future. It is a name. It is a name given to a one memory location which can hold a value. That value will be changed in future number of times. How many times you want, that many times we can change the value. So that is called variable. So this is variable. So this is the name which can hold a value. That value will be changed in future number of times. How many times you want, that many times we can change the value. So what is the use of variable advantages? Variable advantages. One is reusability, easy to update, easy to maintain. Easy to update, easy to maintain. Variable advantages. One is reusability, easy to update, easy to maintain. Syntax, variable syntax. Data type, variable name equal to value. Simply we can write int a equal to 10. So this is the variable declaration. Int a equal to 10. Data type, variable name equal to value. Int a equal to 10. Simply we can write. So today concept is overloading concept. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments, if you write then that concept is called overload. Same function we are writing number of times with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments. Then that concept is called overloading concept. I'm going to SRC, take the new class. Class name is over. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. So declare the function public static void add function I'm writing into a comma into b. So two arguments I'm taking, madam. How many arguments I'm taking?
Mm-hmm.
Two arguments.
Two.
Into res equal to, this is the variable. Int is data type. Res variable name equal to value a plus b. Sy is for control space res. This is the variable declaration. Public static
Mm-hmm.
void add into a comma into b function bracket into res equal to a plus b system.out.println res.
Mm-hmm.
Right, I am writing same function public static void add into a comma into b comma into c into res equal to a plus b plus c res public void public static void add double a double double a comma double b. Same function I am writing number of times, madam. Add function I am
Mm-hmm.
writing number of times with the different arguments. First function I wrote two arguments. Second function I wrote three arguments. Third function I am writing different arguments like double data type I am taking.
Mm-hmm.
Double res equal to a plus b sy control space res. Got it, ma? Same function I'm writing number of times with different arguments like type of arguments, number of arguments. So then that concept is called
Overloading.
overloading concept. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments, if we write it, then that concept is called overloading concept. Now I want to pass the value add 10 comma 20. So it will execute first function add
Mm-hmm.
10 comma 20 comma 30. It will execute second function add 0.2 comma 0.3. It will execute third function. Answer is 30, 60, 0.5. Save, click on run. 30, 60, 0.5. That is the concept, overloading concept. Same function we are writing number of times with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments. So this concept is called overloading. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading concept. If at all a function more than one time in a class with different arguments like type of arguments or number of arguments, if we write, then that concept is called overloading concept. So that is the session, madam. Inheritance and overloading concept. Any doubt, ma?
No, for now, no. Just I'll go through the video and I'll ask.
No, no,